भावुक हुए बिग बी, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को याद करते हुए लिखा इमोशनल पोस्ट। बिग बी ने सुशांत के जाने के बाद उनकी मेहनत, उनके सक्सेस और ढेर सारी बातों को याद करते हुए लिखा एक इमोशनल पोस्ट। क्या कहना है बिग बी का, आइए जानते हैं। Why सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, why do you end your life, your brilliant talent, your brilliant mind laid to rest without asking, seeking? Why? His work was sheer brilliance and his mind even more. Many a time did he express himself in the depth of philosophical work. They that looked past it were either in wonder or oblivious of its strength of meaning. Some wondered, some quibbled, to some it was a subdued mirth, subdued because for it to be given lethargic ignorance would have opened the caves of their own. His peak was measured, as was his screen presence. I saw a complete work of his in Dhoni. The film was dressed with remarkable moments of his performance, but 3 of the moments ever remained with me as an observer. They were done with such casual conviction that it would be difficult for an analyst of some credibility to either notice it or give attention to its bearing. When he spoke or communicated, there was something of an inner value which had remained unsaid, yet said in its covered all. It's a trait of excessive intelligence, and when that takes a diversion from the highway, it invariably ends up against a roadblock, depressive, unwanted, and in belligerent frustration. On one of my meetings with him, I asked him how did he manage to give that iconic shot of Dhoni hitting a six, winning the international tournament to absolute perfection. He said he saw that video of Dhoni 100 times. That was the severity of his professional effort. He came from humble beginnings, was a part of the fourth line group dancers that performed shows with Shamak Davar, the ingenious talented choreographer of our times. Rising from those climbs to where he was is a story by itself. Excessiveness can often lead to extremes. What kind of a mind leads one to suicide is an eternal mystery. To end a most gainful life is simply not permitted. Amitabh Bachchan. वेल बिग बी के इस पोस्ट पर आपकी क्या राय है, पोस्ट करिए अपने कमेंट्स। ऑल्सो डू लाइक, फॉलो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू बॉलीवुड नाउ ऑन फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम एंड यूट्यूब।
कीर्ति जी रुके ना, साथ में
सर एक टीम साथ में सर एक साथ में कर देना सर यस स्ट्रेट यस सर सुशांत यस स्ट्रेट लेफ्ट में सर सुशांत स्ट्रेट अलग पर शू साइड एक बार थैंक यू सी यू कैन यू